Hey there, fellow food enthusiasts. Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen prepping meals? Do you wish there was a way to cut your cooking time in half without sacrificing quality? Well, you're in luck because today I'm sharing my top 5 time-saving kitchen gadgets that have completely revolutionized my cooking experience. Number 5. Beiyunee Chicken Shredder Tool. Twist. Starting our countdown at number 5 is the beiyunee Chicken Shredder Tool Twist. When I first came across this gadget, I was skeptical about whether it could really make a difference in my meal prep routine. After all, I'd been shredding chicken with 2 forks for years. How much better could this plastic contraption be? The answer? Exponentially better. The beiyunee Chicken Shredder features a unique twist design that allows you to effortlessly transform cooked chicken breasts, thighs, or even pork into perfectly shredded meat in seconds. The first time I used it, I was genuinely shocked at how quickly it worked. What would normally take me 3 to 4 minutes of tedious fork shredding was accomplished in about 20 seconds. The ergonomic handles provide excellent grip, making the twisting motion comfortable, even when working with larger portions of meat. One of the aspects I appreciate most about this tool is its versatility. While it's marketed primarily for chicken, I've successfully used it on pulled pork, beef for tacos, and even for shredding canned tuna. The durable BPA-free plastic construction means it's lightweight yet sturdy enough to handle tougher cuts of meat without bending or breaking. After several months of regular use, it shows no signs of wear. 4. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer. If there's one prep task that seems to consume the most time in the kitchen, it's chopping vegetables. This all-in-one chopping station has single-handedly cut my meal prep time by at least 50%, and I'm not exaggerating. The Fullstar chopper comes with multiple blade attachments that allow you to dice, julienne, and spiralize vegetables with professional precision. The 4-cup container catches all your chopped veggies, eliminating the mess that typically comes with manual chopping. What impressed me most during testing was the sharpness of the stainless steel blades. They slice through even the toughest vegetables like butternut squash with minimal effort. I particularly love using the dicer attachments for meal prep. In just minutes, I can dice onions, bell peppers, carrots, and potatoes for the entire week's meals. The uniform size of the chopped vegetables ensures even cooking, which has actually improved the quality of my dishes. The Spiralizer attachment has been a game changer for creating zucchini noodles, sweet potato spirals, and cucumber ribbons, perfect for healthier alternatives to pasta or creative salads. The thoughtful design extends to safety features as well. The chopper includes a finger guard that protects your hands while pushing food through the blades, and the non-slip base keeps the unit stable during use. 3. Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater. Securing the 3rd spot in our countdown is the Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater, a versatile tool that has transformed how I prepare so many dishes. Before discovering this gadget, grating cheese and vegetables was a tedious task that often resulted in scraped knuckles and uneven results. This rotary grater has completely eliminated those problems while cutting my grating time down to a fraction of what it used to be. The Cambom grater features a drum design with 3 interchangeable stainless steel blades for fine grating, coarse grating, and slicing. The ergonomic hand crank requires minimal effort to operate, and the suction cup base keeps the unit firmly in place on your countertop during use. In my testing, I found that I could grate an entire block of Parmesan cheese in under a minute, a task that would have taken at least 5 to 7 minutes with a traditional box grater. What truly sets this rotary grater apart is its versatility beyond cheese. I've used it to quickly shred carrots for salads, potatoes for hash browns, chocolate for dessert toppings, and even nuts for baking. The fine grating drum is perfect for creating that snow-like Parmesan that melts beautifully over pasta, while the coarse drum creates perfect shreds for tacos and casseroles. The slicing drum, though not as frequently used in my kitchen, makes quick work of cucumber and zucchini rounds for salads. The thoughtful design extends to cleaning and maintenance. The grater disassembles easily for thorough cleaning, and most parts are dishwasher safe. JAYVAR onion holder for slicing. Taking the second spot in our countdown is the JAYVAR onion holder for slicing. This may seem like a simple tool compared to some of the others on our list, but its impact on everyday cooking tasks is profound. As someone who tears up dramatically when chopping onions, this gadget has been nothing short of revolutionary for my kitchen experience. The JAYVAR onion holder is essentially a stainless steel prong system that securely holds onions, tomatoes, potatoes, and other round vegetables while you slice them. The design features sharp prongs that pierce and stabilize the vegetable, while the ergonomic handle keeps your fingers safely away from the knife blade. The first time I used it to dice an onion, I was amazed at how it reduced both the time required and the inevitable tears that usually accompany the task. What impressed me most during testing was the stability this tool provides. It allows for precise, even cutting, something that's difficult to achieve when trying to hold a slippery onion with your fingers. I can now create perfectly uniform slices and dices, which not only look more professional, but also cook more evenly. The holder works equally well for tomatoes, no more squashed tomato slices, potatoes, and even fruits like apples. The safety aspect cannot be overstated. By keeping fingers away from the cutting area, the risk of accidental cuts is significantly reduced. This makes it an excellent tool for teaching children or less confident cooks how to properly slice vegetables. 1. Gorilla Grip Manual Can Opener. Claiming the top spot in our countdown of time-saving kitchen gadgets is the Gorilla Grip heavy-duty stainless steel smooth-edge manual can opener. While it might seem surprising that a can opener ranks as the #1 time-saving tool, this isn't your ordinary can opener. It's a revolutionary device that has completely transformed how I approach canned goods in my cooking. The Gorilla Grip can opener features a side-cutting design that creates a smooth edge rather than the traditional jagged edge left by conventional can openers. The first time I used it, I was genuinely amazed at how effortlessly it cut through the can. The oversized ergonomic handles provide exceptional leverage, requiring minimal hand strength to operate, a game changer for anyone with arthritis or hand fatigue issues. The cutting mechanism engages with a satisfying click and glides around the can with remarkable smoothness. What truly sets this opener apart is the safety factor. The smooth edge it creates eliminates the risk of cuts from sharp can lids, something I always worried about, especially when cooking with children around. Additionally, the lid-lifting magnet means you never have to touch the lid with your fingers, further enhancing safety. In my testing, I found that this opener works flawlessly on cans of all sizes, from small tomato paste cans to large soup cans. Final thought. So there you have it, my top 5 time-saving kitchen gadgets that have genuinely transformed my cooking experience. From shredding chicken in seconds to safely opening cans with minimal effort, these tools address the most common pain points in everyday meal preparation. By investing in these affordable yet effective gadgets, you'll not only save countless hours in the kitchen, but also enjoy the process of cooking more than ever before. Which one will you try first?